Hello, so welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be doing a ShopMissA haul. So when it comes to the ShopMissA haul, I went through so much to get this package, like literally so much. And it has nothing to do with ShopMissA. It actually had to do with the post office. They said they put it in my box. It wasn't in my box. I filed a claim with them. Haven't heard from them. Basically, I was supposed to get this box on a Wednesday. I didn't get it until a Sunday because a lady came and dropped it off at my house. Yes. So that is the story behind this packaging. This video would have been up way sooner and I wanted to be up soon. So yes, I did only get like a few items. I think like 5. Basically they're items that I actually need in my collection because I did go through my makeup and I need to go through it again. And since I wasn't wearing makeup for so long, I ran out of products and I wanted to see how these worked. So yes, let's just get right into it. So it came inside a packaging like this. I did already cut it open. And this is how it looks wrapped. And inside is all my products. So first thing, some products came inside this little baggie here. First thing is this powder, and this is the AOA Studio Perfect finished ink pressed powder. I did get mine in Chestnut. Not really sure if that is my color. It was kind of hard determining the colors on there. I noticed, especially for like darker skin tones, because it's like the model that they were using, it's like, I don't know, it felt like she didn't really match up to the skin tones, and I was like I feel like I was between, so I probably should have got 2 of these. But this could possibly be it. It looks like this. We will test this out and see if it works for me, because I don't really know what color I am now, because during the summer I did get a super dark tan, like my pigment was popping, and now it's kind of like faded away, so all of the foundations and stuff I had that was my skin tone just doesn't work for me anymore. The other thing I got was this, and it's an eyelash applicator. So a thing to help you apply your eyelashes. I usually use tweezers, and I do have a pair of like eyelash applicators from Kiss, but they're more of like they're like this big, like super small. And they're like plastic. They get, I don't know, they have glue on them. I wanted to see how these work. Maybe these will work better. And it's a tool that I don't have, so we will test that out. So let's get into this package. So in this package, I did pick out a Wonder Brow Tinted Brow Pomade, and it looks like this. I did get the darkest one they had. I'm not really sure what color that is. Brown, ebony? Okay, it's ebony. That's the darkest one they had. They said that this color was the one for people with darker hair tones. So I did get that. I didn't realize it was this small though. Like, this is super tiny. So yes, and I did need a concealer. Concealer used to be those things that I never used to need, because I used to order a lot from e.l.f. and I would get their concealer quad in like the brown tones, and I used to be able to use that for everything. I actually really like that. I don't know why I haven't went back, but I did get this concealer, and I got it, and this is the AOA Studio Wonder Cover Concealer. What color did I get? Almond. So I got almond in this and chestnut in this. So we will see about that. And I needed a mascara, and this one looked really, really cool. And this is the Amuse Pro Mega Big Lash. Oh, this is waterproof. I didn't realize this was a waterproof mascara. Did I get the right one? I don't know, but it looks like this. So that is everything that I got from ShopMissA. I did get 5 products, so we're going to see how these work in another video. In this one, I just wanted to show you what products I got. because I've been really wanting to show you guys and I just never got the package. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe we can do like a Valentine's Day look and I can test out these products while doing that look. But anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.